It's like, we're there, guys. How much more deception can we possibly take? You know? Because, like, we're at the point now where people could make a video, an AI video of Jesus coming back, and people would believe it. They probably already have. And it's like, do you think God's okay with that? How much of that is he really going to allow? Because it's going to only keep getting more and more realistic. Okay. Yeah, so that's insane. That was weird. I don't know what that was. I heard some kind of, like, I don't know. I don't know if you guys could hear that in the video. That was weird. I'm home alone. Like Kevin. Okay. Did you guys see that? Kevin, Home Alone's kind of a Christian movie. And in the original script, it was actually going to be, like, even more Christian. Like, basically, like, telling the gospel in it. It's kind of crazy. You can see videos from Lake Point Church talking about that. But, yeah. Anyways, I got a little sidetracked there. I still don't know what that sound was. That was weird. Yeah. What in the world was that? Okay. Anyways, where was I even talking about? Yeah, AI.